Hey everyone, it's your boy Yeti. Today we're heading out into this beautiful snowy wilderness. Got my trusty rifle, gonna do a little hunting. Always keep your eye on the target, even when you're adjusting your aim. So we're out here today looking for some deer. Definitely not this guy, he's just along for the walk. Always keep both eyes open when you're aiming down the scope. Helps with your peripheral vision. I think I got him. Just got a rabbit. Got a good shot on this little guy. First one of the day.
There have been eyewitness accounts of a small gray alien in the forest. We have a man waiting live to tell his story. We're now cutting to Caitlin. What did you see out there?
There's a little gray alien running around, and Bigfoot, he's filming himself. You have to believe me.
He's clearly crazy. Not only does he think aliens are real, but Bigfoot too.
I've seen things out here you wouldn't believe. Things that'd make your hair stand on end.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's a beautiful day out here in the forest, perfect for a little exploring. So I'm heading back to that spot, you know, where I saw that crazy UFO thing a few weeks ago. Got to check it out. I did not enjoy my encounter with the little gray freak from outer space. That little gray dude was a real creep. Never again. So I came back to check the crash site, and it looks like the humans in suits have been here. They cleaned it all up. Anyway, I'm heading out to do some fishing today. Hey guys, Bigfoot here. Gotta find my fishing boat. Quick tip, always store your aluminum boats upside down outdoors. Keeps the rain and critters out. Well folks, here she is, my trusty old fishing boat. Took a bit of doing to get her out. Going upriver to the lake. That's where I think the fish will be biting today. Conditions are just right. It's just so peaceful out here on the water. Fishing really helps clear the mind, you know? Great for mental well-being.
Going fishing today, gonna catch a big one. Hope the fish are biting in the morning sun. Catching big ones all day long, singing my fishing song.
This silver one here, classic. Trout see that flash, think it's a minnow. Then this spotted one, good for deeper water. Gonna use this silver spinner for trout today. They really seem to like shiny things in this clear water. Now I gotta tie this on. Let me show you how I do this knot. All right, so you take your main line, pass it through the eye of the lure like so, then double it back to form a loop. When lure fishing for trout, always match the hatch, even with spoons. Keep it natural. Quick tip, when you're retrieving, vary that speed. Sometimes slow, sometimes fast, keeps those fish guessing. Hey guys, just pulled this beauty out of the lake. Oh, look at the size of this trout. Hey folks, Bigfoot here. We're just pulling up to the bank. Gonna show you my riverside trout recipe. It's a good one. Look at this beauty. We're gonna make some delicious trout stew today with some handmade flatbread. Trout stew is packed with protein, omega-3s, and minerals from the fresh greens. Meals like this keep me strong. I missed the deer. Can you believe that? After all this waiting, one rabbit will have to do for dinner, even though I'm known to eat 20 or more in a sitting. I already ate the rabbit raw.
getting some cardio in because I put on a little bit of extra fat. After a long hunt, nothing beats an ice bath to soothe these old muscles. It really helps with recovery, you know? Hey, what was that?
Is that what I think it is?
What? This thing is following me everywhere I go through these mountains. I'm getting really worried now. After I saw that thing flying in the sky, these appeared in the snow. Something isn't right. Oh, what's that? They're eggs! They're hatching! I left my rifle in the igloo. I don't think this one is friendly. The cameraman never dies. Oh no, it's getting closer. They're everywhere. They're growing so fast into all these disgusting shapes. I don't know what to do.
We are here for the Iridius Shard.
The what?
Where is Zorp? Where is the Bigfoot?
Hey, I'm not involved, man.
Come in, Bigfoot. The aliens are looking for you.
The aliens are looking for some sort of Iridius Shard and a guy named Zorp. I am concerned for your safety, buddy, and I am very freaked out. I really hope Bigfoot hears me, because I have a bad feeling about all of this.
Come in, Bigfoot. The aliens are looking for you.
What a great fishing session. That trout stew really hit the spot. Oh, and Lobo decided to show up.
Come on, boy. Get the bone. Good boy, Lobo. Good boy.
Okay, so next thing on the agenda, I really got to get some firewood split. Got a bit of a chill coming in.
Whoa, what in the blazes was...
I think I'm in a bad situation all of a sudden.
Where is the Iridius shard? I don't know. Kstka glorp zicht. Klak. Vrr.
I found this weird glowing rock near whatever that smoking thing is. I have no idea what it is.
Tak elk. Sust. Klak.
Surprisingly refreshed. Oh, I was planning to go fishing for trout today.
This shard is being tracked. I must leave now. Zorp out.
Hey everyone, the new Bigfoot Vlog t-shirt is finally here. It's 100% combed cotton, super soft, and you can get it now on the channel.
Okay, time to thank my new channel members. We've got Keith S., Gary Paul Sykes, and SpongeBob. If you'd like to support the YouTube channel and get a shout out, you can become a member by clicking the join button. Thanks everyone.